Hey there, car enthusiasts! If you're looking to level up your ride in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing 20 super cool car accessories on Amazon that you need to check out right now. From innovative gadgets to must-have essentials, these picks will totally transform your driving experience. Let's dive in. One, the Thinkware. U1000 Dual Dash Cam is the ultimate solution for capturing every moment on the road in 4K UHD clarity. With a 3840x2160 resolution front camera and a 2K 2560x1440 rear camera, you'll have crystal clear footage of both the front and back of your vehicle. Its 150-degree wide-angle lens ensures a comprehensive view of your surroundings. Equipped with a Sony sensor, it excels in low-light conditions, providing detailed recordings even at night. The dashcam also comes with G-Sensor Wi-Fi GPS and cloud-enabled features, allowing for easy access and management of your footage from anywhere. With parking mode and automatic recording, it offers full protection and peace of mind for your car. Enhance your driving experience and stay safe with the Thinkware U1000. 2. The Airbrush Kit with Compressor is a versatile and compact tool designed for a wide range of applications, from painting and tattooing to nail art model coloring and even cake decorating. Featuring an auto handheld airbrush gun with a 0.3mm tip, this rechargeable and portable airbrush delivers fine, consistent sprays for detailed work. Whether you're an artist, hobbyist, or professional, this airbrush ensures precision and ease, offering high-quality results. Its lightweight design and rechargeable functionality make it convenient for both on-the-go and at-home use, making it an essential tool for anyone looking to take their creative projects to the next level. With its multiple uses, this airbrush kit is a must-have for artists and DIY enthusiasts alike. 3. The MJJC Foam Cannon SV3.0 is the ultimate solution for creating a thick and rich snow foam when washing your car, making the cleaning process easier and more effective. Featuring thicker snow foam technology, this advanced foam cannon ensures that your vehicle gets a deep clean by lifting dirt and grime off the surface with ease. It comes equipped with a 1/4-inch quick connector, making it compatible with most pressure washers for convenience and quick setup. The 34 Oz bottle provides ample foam for multiple washes, and the design ensures durability and long-lasting use. Whether you're a car enthusiast or a professional, the MJJC Foam Cannon SV3.0 is an essential tool for achieving a spotless, scratch-free finish on your vehicle. 4. The Super Safe Jump Starter is a powerful and versatile tool designed to keep you safe and prepared in emergency situations. With a 12V 1000A capacity, it can jumpstart engines up to 6.0L gas or 4.0L diesel, providing you with the ability to get back on the road quickly. This 18-in-1 emergency escape multi-tool comes packed with features including a window breaker, seatbelt cutter alarm, and SOS flash, ensuring you're equipped for any roadside crisis. It's compact and reliable, making it an essential part of your car emergency kit. Whether you're dealing with a flat battery, stuck in a dangerous situation, or simply need additional tools for emergencies, the Super Safe Jump Starter has got you covered. 5. The Motor Trend. FlexTough floor mats are the ultimate all-weather car mats designed to provide maximum protection for your vehicle's floors. These black deep dish mats are waterproof and feature a trim-to-fit design, making them the perfect fit for any car, truck, or SUV. Whether you're dealing with dirt, mud spills, or weather elements, these mats offer superior protection and durability. The heavy-duty construction ensures that your car's interior stays clean and fresh, while the easy-to-clean material allows you to maintain a spotless look. Motor Trend. FlexTough floor mats are essential for anyone looking to keep their vehicle's floors in pristine condition. 6. The TICARVE Car Cleaning Gel is the ultimate solution for maintaining the cleanliness of your car's interior. This detailing putty is designed to easily remove dirt, dust, and debris from hard-to-reach places, such as air vents, dashboard crevices, and between seats. With its non-toxic, eco-friendly formula, the gel adheres to dirt and lifts it away without leaving any sticky residue behind. Whether you're cleaning your car interior keyboard or other small spaces, this slime cleaner provides an effortless, efficient cleaning experience. Compact and easy to use, it's a must-have accessory for anyone looking to keep their car looking fresh and spotless. Perfect for both beginners and experts. 7. The SINGARO Car Cup Coaster is a must-have accessory for any car owner who values cleanliness and organization. This set of 4 non-slip cup holders not only keeps your cup securely in place, but also serves as a stylish ornament for your car's interior. Made with high-quality durable materials, these coasters are designed to fit most cup holders and are perfect for preventing spills and scratches. The easy-to-clean surface ensures that your car always looks neat and tidy, while the black color complements any interior. Protect your car from spills and enhance its look with the SINGARO Car Cup Coasters, the perfect addition to your vehicle's accessories. 8. The leather car registration and insurance card holder is a sleek and practical accessory designed to keep your essential documents organized and easily accessible. Crafted from high-quality leather, this car document holder offers durability and style, while the magnetic shut ensures your cards are securely stored. It comfortably fits car registration insurance cards and driver's license, making it the perfect solution for keeping your documents in one place. With its compact design and elegant black color, this holder is not only functional, but also adds a touch of sophistication to your vehicle. A must-have for any driver looking to stay organized and prepared on the road. 9. The Toolwiz Universal Adjustable Magnetic Camber Gauge is a highly accurate and easy-to-use tool designed to help you achieve perfect wheel alignment. Whether you're working on a car, truck, RV, or any vehicle, this camber tool ensures that your tires are properly aligned for optimal performance and tire longevity. The adjustable design allows for precise measurements, while the magnetic base securely attaches to the wheel for hands-free operation. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts or professional mechanics, this tool makes camber caster and strut alignment simple and effective. Say goodbye to uneven tire wear and reduce the risk of premature tire damage with the Toolwiz camber gauge. 10. The gear shift. Hoodie is a fun and unique way to add personality and style to your car's gear shift. This universal 4.7-inch cover designed to fit most gear sticks is made from durable, high-quality material and features a humorous sweater design, making it a great conversation starter. Available in an army green color, this hoodie protector not only adds a cool touch to your car's interior, but also helps protect your gear shift from wear and tear. Whether you're looking to add a personal flair to your vehicle or just want a practical way to keep your gear shift in top condition, this quirky accessory is sure to make your driving experience more enjoyable. Perfect for anyone who loves custom car accessories and wants to showcase their fun side while on the road. 11. The REDTIGER Dash. Cam Front Rear is a top-tier 4K 2.5K Full HD dashboard camera designed to provide maximum safety and security for your vehicle. With its 170-degree wide-angle lens, it captures a broad view of the road, ensuring that nothing is missed during your drives. The night vision technology ensures that you get clear footage even in low-light conditions, while the built-in Wi-Fi and GPS features allow for easy access to your footage and location data. The 3.60 IPS screen offers a high-quality clear display for easy monitoring, and the 24-hour parking mode adds an extra layer of protection when your vehicle is parked. This dashcam comes complete with a 32GB memory card, offering immediate functionality right out of the box. Ideal for anyone looking for reliable and clear video evidence while on the road, the REDTIGER dashcam is a must-have car accessory. 12. The Roav Viva Pro by Anker is the ultimate solution for upgrading your car's technology. This Alexa-enabled 2-port USB car charger not only powers your devices, but also integrates with your car's Bluetooth CarPlay, Android Auto, and aux-in FM reception, allowing you to control navigation, music, and more all hands-free with voice commands. Whether you're commuting or road tripping, you can easily access Alexa for navigation, music, streaming weather updates, and much more. The dual USB ports allow you to charge multiple devices at once, making it perfect for your entire family. Turn your car into a smarter, safer place with the Roav Viva Pro by Anker. 13. Sensor adapter is a must-have for any car enthusiast or DIY mechanic looking to monitor their vehicle's cooling system efficiently. This 38mm black adapter is designed to fit easily into your car's existing setup, allowing you to install a water temperature sensor for real-time monitoring of your engine's temperature. Perfect for keeping track of how well your cooling system is performing, this adapter ensures that you can spot potential overheating issues before they become serious problems. Made with high-quality materials, it's durable, reliable, and a great addition to any vehicle modification or performance enhancement project. Whether you're tuning your engine or just want to keep it running smoothly, the Mishimoto water temperature sensor adapter is an essential tool for accurate temperature readings. 14. The AUTO-VOX Solar One wireless backup camera is the perfect addition to your vehicle, ensuring enhanced safety and convenience. This wireless backup camera system features 5-minute DIY installation, making it easy to set up without any hassle. The digital signal ensures a stable and clear connection, providing you with crisp and reliable visuals. Equipped with a license plate rearview camera and a 5-inch monitor, it's designed for various vehicles such as trucks, trailers, and RVs, offering improved visibility when reversing. Plus, the solar-powered design means you don't have to worry about battery replacements, making this a low-maintenance solution for everyday driving. Drive confidently with the AUTO-VOX Solar One wireless backup camera. 15. The Top 10 Racing Aluminum Oil Catch Can Tank. Kit is a must-have for anyone serious about car maintenance. Designed to improve your engine's performance, this 350mm oil catch can help prevent oil blow-by from entering your intake system, ensuring cleaner air and better combustion. Its baffled reservoir is engineered to trap oil and other contaminants, keeping your engine running efficiently. The kit comes with a breather filter and 3/8 fuel line, making it compatible with a wide range of vehicles. Its durable aluminum construction and polished blue finish not only provide reliability, but also add a sleek look to your engine bay. Keep your car's engine running smoothly with this effective and easy-to-install oil catch can. 16. The nonda ZUS Smart Backup Camera is a game-changer for enhancing your driving experience with real wireless technology. Featuring a 170-degree wide-angle lens, it ensures you have a full view of what's behind you, making parking and reversing safer and more precise. With a rechargeable battery and IP67 waterproof rating, this camera is built to withstand various weather conditions and lasts for an extended period without frequent recharging. Installation is a breeze with no wiring or drilling required, allowing you to set it up easily in minutes. Enjoy smarter, safer driving with the nonda ZUS Smart Backup Camera, the perfect solution for any car. 17. The Retractable Car Charger is the ultimate solution for all your in-car charging needs. This 4-in-1 fast charging system offers 60 W of power to quickly charge your devices while you're on the go. With compatibility for iPhone 16, iPhone 15, and other USB-C devices, this charger is perfect for women and men looking to keep their devices powered during road trips. Its retractable design helps keep your car neat and organized, preventing cord tangling and clutter. Whether you're in a Honda Civic or any other car, this car charger is a great addition to your car travel essentials, ensuring you stay charged up and ready to go. Perfect for a gift or personal use. 18. Chemical Guys CWS 801.16. Afterwash sprayable, gloss boosting. Car wash drying aid is the perfect solution to enhance your car's shine and reduce water spots after a wash. This 16F Lutus Oz Drying Aid Spray is designed to make drying your car easier, faster, and more efficient. Simply spray it on your wet vehicle after a wash, and it helps the water evaporate faster, leaving behind a glossy, streak-free finish. The formula helps reduce water spots and enhances the depth of your car's color, making it look freshly waxed without the hassle. It's ideal for anyone looking to maintain their vehicle's appearance and achieve a showroom-worthy shine with minimal effort. Perfect for those who want to keep their car looking flawless with less time spent drying. 19. The Drop Stop, the original patented car. Seat Gap Filler is the perfect solution for those annoying gaps between your car seats and console. This innovative product ensures that your items like coins, keys, and phones never fall into those hard-to-reach spaces again. As seen on Shark Tank, this set of 2 seat gap fillers is designed to fit all vehicles and is equipped with a slide-free pad to keep it securely in place. Made from high-quality materials, the Drop Stop will provide you with a clean, clutter-free, and organized car interior. Say goodbye to the frustration of fishing for dropped items and enjoy a tidier, more functional driving experience. 20. The Launch X431 V Pro 5.0. is an advanced bidirectional scan tool designed for automotive enthusiasts and professionals alike. This OEM Bluetooth scanner is equipped with KNFD and DOIP technology, offering enhanced diagnostic capabilities for a wide range of vehicles. With its 38+ reset functions, this tool supports online coding and ensures comprehensive vehicle management. Whether you're diagnosing complex issues or performing routine maintenance, the X431 V Pro 5.0 provides accurate readings and deep functionality for all car makes and models. Ideal for those seeking top-tier automotive diagnostics, this tool simplifies repair work and enhances efficiency in car maintenance. Below the video to get the product link. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to receive more exciting product recommendations. Thank you for watching and happy shopping!